Me and JM, John, we met in Outward Bound in the early 1989 when we were doing Kenya Defense Forces programs, which were trained at Outward Bound and taking them to the mountain. And during those times, we used to take them to Mount Kenya. And we have been friends, we have been working together since that time for a long time. Yeah.
And did you guys think that you were both friends that you'd be friends when you first met?
No, at the beginning, I don't think that we knew that we would be such good friends. We had just met. But anyway, we got along very well, even at the beginning point. And after several programs, then we realized that we can really go far as friends. And from then we started doing many programs together, and we have been in so many other programs together.
Presently, we're on the Kili Directive trip of 2019. And how long have you been involved with that program?
I think it was at the early stages when Kilimanjaro Initiative started their programs. By then, the programs were going through Outward Bound Trust of Kenya, and then later went to base camp. And so we were with them at Outward Bound, and later moved with them to base camp.
And you met Tim through, how did you meet Tim again? I remember you telling me about how you helped him up the mountain the first time.
Who?
Tim.
Tim. We went with Tim up in the year 2006.
Uh-huh.
And by then he was just from an injury, and he was limping, and we used to tell him, Tim, you can do it, and he still continued, and he looked very strong, although he was limping. But finally he found himself at the summit, and he was very happy to do that, although he was a bit slow because of that injury.
And were you on that trip?
No, I wasn't in that trip.
Okay.
Yeah.
And where are we now? What town is this?
We are in Kisanjani. In Kisanjani, this is Kisanjani Primary School, where we mostly camp for the first day. And then we go for the next camp, which will take another, we start tomorrow, and then in the evening we'll camp in another school called Orkaria, near the Rhino Rocks, where we do rock climbing.
Oh, we're going to do rock climbing.
Yeah.
This is going to be very interesting.
Quite interesting, in fact.
Yeah.
Because, at the Rhino Rock, there are several activities that take place there. The first activity is rock climbing. The second activity, that is the following day, we do what we call environment and community interaction sessions. And that is where sometimes we do plant trees, and if not trees, we do any other project that can help the community around.
Okay.
Yes.
And